Hey there guys, how's it going? Now, what we're going to talk about today is the VELCRO Industrial Strength black tape. Now, in my home and in my place of work, I've been using VELCRO to do all kind of things. You would not believe the things you could use with VELCRO, especially VELCRO tape. First of all, how it works is you have one end that is like it has like a texture on there that sticks to the other end, which is kind of like Brillo padish. It's like cottony, like a rough cottony material that sticks to this side. So what you would do is, see, if I put this here, show you, if I put this here and you put these together, you see, they stick and you have to rip them apart. It's really strong grip too. See that? So with the tape, how the tape works is you would peel this back part off, stick this onto something, and like say a wall or something, and then you would take this part off and put this part onto something like say a picture or whatever you want to hang, and then press them together this way and it sticks. Very good idea. It's a really good idea, and you'll be amazed at how many different things you could use with this. Now, the strength of the adhesive, this part, the glue part underneath there, is really strong. Okay, now once you get it on that, like that part of wherever you're sticking it to, if you leave it there for 24 hours, it's going to be at full strength of stickiness. If you put it on there right away, when you put it on there, it's going to be very sticky and it will hold really well. But after it sits for 24 hours, it is at its stickiness and it's going to be hard to take off. So yeah, it's really strong adhesive. So you're not going to have to worry about, like if you're hanging a picture or something like that, you're not going to have to worry about it falling or anything like that. When you stick this on whatever surface you're going to use this for, make sure that area where you're sticking it on is flush. This is used in on most surfaces, but just make sure it's flush and it's clean. So you don't want it to be like full of dust or anything like that. You want the adhesive to bind right to the area that you're cleaning it to. So make sure it's really clean, and just make sure that both sides, whatever you're cleaning both ends to, are clean and flush. This works on most surfaces, even plastic. So just make sure you do that. This is also water resistant, so you're not going to have to worry about that. This is also you can use it for indoors and outdoors. Okay, I've hung several things outside with these, even a sign that I put on my garage door with this VELCRO tape, and it's still on there and I put it on there like 3 months ago. Yeah, and it's going strong. It's really a strong tape. The VELCRO is just a really great idea. Yeah, what you can do is this comes in a roll, if you can see it in there, right? Both parts is part of the roll. And how you do this is you'll cut it, like you'll just take some scissors and cut however long you need this to be. It could be really small or a big piece like this, and cut this size the same and put them together. That's how you use it. So it's not you don't need to use the whole roll. So you cut it as you need it. So yeah, and I've gotten so much use out of this. It really, really is a great idea. Yeah, I'll continue using it. All right. Well, we have been talking about the VELCRO Industrial Strength Black Tape. Yeah, it's really good, guys. Well, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right? Okay, bye-bye.